Hey guys, it's Mr. Brown. I'm up here doing some night skiing tonight at Alpental ski area. Got a lot of clothes on because it is cold tonight. Wanted to touch base with you about our upcoming week. You guys have been doing a great job getting the work in. Keep it up. I'm going to do something to the grade book, or maybe you guys have noticed that I already have. I'm going to zero it out until our next map so that you can look at the grade book and you can tell exactly by the assignments have zeros on them what you have to get done, and if you move beyond that, then you'll be academic exceeding, which would be fantastic. So, it may lower your grade for a little while, but as you do the assignments, every time you do one, it'll raise it up. So, that's so much for school stuff. I took the opportunity to touch base with you here. I'm up on the chairlift. You can see the stuff moving behind me. Every time I go over one of these, it's called a riblet. The chair goes over a series of pulleys, and that makes it kind of rough when it goes over. It's not Mr. Brown wobbling the camera. Well, maybe a little. But every time I go over one of the series of these pulleys on a riblet, then it makes it a little bit rough. So remember your pulleys from our simple machines, those of us in high school, bulletins. Anyway, I want to talk a little bit about snow. Snow is really fun. And being up here night skiing, you'd think, wow, it's at night, be too dark. Well, take a look around. The really cool thing about night skiing is that it's white. When you shine lights on it, it reflects. So night skiing is really cool because you really see stuff. It's really a neat effect. Now, admittedly, the sun's down, so it's a little cold. When there's a breeze, like when you're in a chair, you know, it could be cold, but you just dress more warmly for it. In some cultures, they have hundreds of names for different kinds of snow, and in fact, we have a lot of different kinds of snow here in Washington. The cool part about snow is that when you have a lot of it, and we had some really good amounts early season, is that it supplies us with the water for streams and salmon throughout the summer, because it slowly melts in the mountains and goes down the rivers. So that's a good thing. It also supplies us with clean drinking water. Some places don't have mountains around, they don't have very good drinking water. We happen to have killer drinking water. So tonight the snow is still pretty soft because it's a little above freezing, but as the temperature goes down, it's going to stiffen up, and it could actually freeze. When it freezes, it's not as much fun to ski on because it is hard. And it's hard when you fall on it, but it's also hard in your skis. They chatter on it. They make kind of a scratchy noise, or your snowboard. So, it's a little bit about snow and Alpental ski area. So, Mr. Brown signing out, as always. We'll see you online. You do the work. I'll grade it. Have a good one.